Next we'll be looking at how to use the combine and the plane tool, which can be used, for example, to cut an object in half, where you put a plane tool where you would like to cut along a surface. We'll be going through that in today's video. Next we are going to take our enclosure and actually cut it in half so that you can have a lid and a base. To do this we are going to use the plane tool, which is located in the insert toolbar at the top. And what this does is allows you to cut along the plane. So first we need to select where the plane goes. So I've selected the top face, and also the bottom face, and then I'm going to click plane. What that does is actually insert the plane between the two layers, so between the top and the bottom. So next we need to combine, use a combine tool in order to split. So once you click combine in the intersect toolbar, you can then hover over your display and onto your object, which will turn yellow. Once you click, your cursor will turn to a saw, and then your item will turn green. So the saw means what item would you like to cut along? So obviously we would like to cut along the plane. So I'm going to take my saw cursor and click the plane. So this is where I'd like to cut along. And as you can see, my cursor has now turned to an eraser, which will be used to indicate which item you'd like to lose. So this is to delete. I would like to click the top item. And as you can see there, it has now gone. So this is a very handy tool for slicing objects. As you can see, our item actually is not hollow. So if you were to print this design, it would be full of plastic, the inside of it, and then you couldn't put a PCB nicely inside. So what we want to do is hollow this out. There's a tool in the insert menu known as shell, and once clicked, you can actually hollow out whatever you like. So I'm going to click the main body and also this front part. So as you can see, it is now hollow inside. At the moment, our PCB is hovering very high. So what we're going to do is use the move tool under the edit toolbar. And this is used to move different items. So this is one item. But to move the whole IDF, I'm going to click the IDF in the structure tree on the left-hand side to indicate I want to move the whole circuit board. Then I'm going to select the axis I'd like to move along and do the following. Just click and drag to your desired height.